What happens to us when we experience trauma? Like, why are our normal memories stored so differently to traumatic memories? That is what we will learn about today. So, all memories are stored within our brain. However, traumatic memories are stored very differently. A part of our brain, known as the prefrontal cortex, works very closely with other parts of our brain to store our memories. This section of our brain is our rational part. It is responsible for our conscious awareness. It helps us process information, reason through situations, and make meaning of our experiences. A small section of our brain that is often referred to as our alarm system is called the amygdala. This small section plays a crucial role in processing emotional aspects of our experiences and memories, particularly related to the impulse and intensity of the emotions when in survival or sense fear. When our brain is triggered and senses potential harm or threat, our body and mind enters a state of survival, and this state can actually shut down our rational prefrontal cortex. This is our fight, flight, freeze, or fawn response. Adrenaline and other chemicals rush to our brain, and this is where the amygdala stores visual images as sensory fragments. This is how our 5 senses were experiencing the trauma at the time, these being sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch. Our senses can become misinterpreted after our traumatic experience, where we can't distinguish between what is normal and what is dangerous. This can cause our body to go into survival mode due to stimuli or sensory input. Our normal memories are stored as stories in a way, where we file it in an order with a beginning, middle, and end with just enough emotional tone to remember how it felt. However, this is not how our traumatic memories are stored. When trauma happens, our amygdala takes over and our brain shifts to survival mode. Due to our brain being overwhelmed, the memory often gets stored in fragments rather than a story, stuck in pieces through our 5 senses. This is why it can feel like trauma is happening all over again in the moment, even years after. Please know you aren't alone on this journey. Our brain is trying to protect us from potential harm, but gaining awareness over this can help us learn and begin our healing. Mistakes Are Overrated was created with you in mind, to support you on your healing journey and make sure you know you aren't alone.